Oops, I murdered my old fridge. You can watch that video right up here. But here's how I'm mounting my new fridge. Go ahead and skip forward to
5 minutes and 15 seconds
to see my least conventional but most sturdy fridge door latch design. So quick update on how I'm going to mount the new fridge tomorrow. I'm actually going to, since it's totally open down here, just drill some giant nuts, bolts, washers, maybe a thick metal plate all the way down through there, then down through the floor of the van, under the frame of the van. But then also put one back through here, drill down through the frame of the van, and bolt it down like that as well.
There you go, Timmy.
So what I did, I marked out where the feet are on the front. You can see my two half circles there and there. And then I will just go off of those to find out where I want to go, how far back and how far over for each of those. Okay, I'll start trying to transfer the measurements off of here, down into the floor right there, know where to drill. Any place that you need to have a nut and bolt combo, but the nut would not be accessible, you're going to use one of these. And what it does, just slides over like that. That way it holds itself in place and it won't spin. Okay, that should be my two spots right there to drill down through. Should be open underneath the van, so I guess from here I'll just get to it. So here's how you get these brand new fridges for dirt cheap. A lot of people order them online and they're not packaged very well, so if they have a little tiny dent, which almost all of them do, they'll return them to the nearest store. This one must have been at bestbuy.com and returned from Chandler, Arizona. Lots of people buy the store returns for pennies on the dollar, then resell them for a profit and pass the savings on to you. Oh, I guess it was already on. So I had also planned on removing the two front feet from the fridge because they are threaded, and instead threading a bolt through the bottom of the van into those spots. They are a M8 by 1.25, a coarse M8 thread, and I could have went and got some long bolts, but as you can see here, it wasn't going to work. Oh no. I think I'm right on top of one of the seat rails right here. Shoot. So I ditched that idea. That looks good enough. It's working. Let's go ahead and start getting it all set up inside. First and foremost, remove all this plastic. This one's for all you ASMR freaks. Before I put it in, I do need to drill my holes down in the back of the bottom feet. I'm also going to widen them out a little bit since they don't have to be tight. The J-clip just has to fit over it, and that's what clamps onto the steel. Should make the alignment a little bit easier. I'm also going to try to recycle these compressor rubber feet to put underneath the back of the fridge between the J-clips and the floor. Alright, so these little rubber feet, I'm hoping my bolts are long enough to allow them to sit right there and right there. I'm going to go ahead and just stick these down, throw a little duct tape underneath just to hold them in place while I set the fridge down. Okay, both of those are set in place. I just poked through each one with the screwdriver to allow the bolt to slide through. Let's see if it works. whole thing is actually wedged right up against the wall back here. You know what? I like it. So since I can't use the same style latch as I had on the old one, works great. I need to come up with a new latch system. Now there's a couple online, some adhesive Velcro style or adhesive plastic latches that go on the side. I really can't do much down here because this door would hit it. And what I ultimately came up with, I just took you see the center hinge over there, I took the old one off the old fridge, popped out the middle hinge pin, and now look right directly down. It lines up perfectly with that. And I'm taking my old freezer door, since it has a lot more personality and less dents than this one, hollow out all the way down through the side, all the way down out the hole on the bottom. It lines up right down there. And a 1/4 inch rod will slide all the way down, keep everything latched together. All right, check it out. So I'll cut it off and make it just the right length. And when I want to open the fridge, I'll just lift that up and it opens. I'm done. Push it back down and it'll latch the whole thing through that center hinge. I'm excited for it. Alright, look at that. And then I found a rubber cap over here that fits. So let's go test this system out. Wow, that's so great. Wow, that's fantastic. All right, well, that's pretty much it for the fridge fiasco. I'm so glad to have this new style fridge latch, and I'm also very excited to have it properly mounted. I'm excited to get some use out of it now. Well, hopefully this video helped you out. I appreciate you watching, checking it out, and of course, like and subscribe for more oddball van videos like this. Appreciate you guys. See you next time.